holiday season, it's beautiful, but it can also leave our body feels heavy, bloated, or just off. If you've been feeling that way lately, today I want to show you a gentle way to bring your body back into balance without restriction and without willpower. It starts with noticing the tiny messages your body sends. The shifts in hunger, digestion, mood, or energy that most of us ignore. When you begin to understand the signals, everything changes quietly from the inside. Now let me give you a personal example. During the holiday season, I sometimes enjoy cake, which I normally don't eat much of. And the next day, my body reacts right away. A little discomfort in my stomach, a reduced appetite, a different kind of heaviness. These are small signs, but it's an important message, so I never ignore them. Instead, I ask myself, what can I eat today that will help me return to a comfortable, balanced state? Not what should I avoid, or not how do I fix this quickly. It's just a gentle check-in. Maybe I choose a warm miso soup, or I make one of my favorite reset meals, a simple egg veggie rice porridge. It takes only about 10 minutes, so let me show you how to make it. I combine steamed rice with water, a little dashi powder or bouillon cube, shio kombu, chopped green onion, sliced shiitake mushrooms. And once it's cooked, add spinach, silken tofu, and a whisk in an egg at the end. It becomes warm, soft, nourishing, something my digestion can completely relax into. When my stomach feels sensitive, this bowl really brings me back into neutral. Maybe that day I skip heavy foods without forcing anything, just choosing what feels kind to myself. My body tells me exactly what it needs, and I simply have to listen to them. But here's the truth. Listen to your body sounds very simple, but it's actually very hard. And also identifying the best feeling state is even harder. And that's why in the beginning of my coaching program, we practice this together very slowly, gently, and consistently. Everyone's approach is slightly different, but there's one method that works beautifully for many of my clients, so let me share that. Making a mini ichiju sansai once or twice a week, eating it slowly and mindfully, and then putting their body's reaction into words, like journaling. Ichiju sansai is a traditional Japanese eating method composed with one soup, rice, one main dish with protein, and two small sides with vegetables. An example of mini ichiju sansai would be for soup, miso soup with vegetable and tofu, for rice, mixed with whole grains to support steady energy, and the main dish, something simple and clean like grilled fish. When you eat a meal like this, your body's signal become much easier to notice. Do I feel calm? Do I feel steady? Is my stomach relaxed? How is my energy level? Little by little, you begin to learn what your personal balance state feels like. It's not something you decide in your mind. Your body learns it through your meals. And something really beautiful happens once this becomes a habit. Your whole life starts to shift. Some clients start sleeping better without trying. Some stop craving sugar. Some suddenly feel motivated to clean a room they've avoided for months. Others feel calmer, more patient, more stable. These are the beautiful byproducts of eating in balance. When your meals become gentle, your mind becomes gentle. Your routines become calmer, and your environment naturally follows. Balanced eating doesn't stay on your plate. It quietly reorganizes your whole daily life, which I didn't know when I was starting coaching, but almost every client experiences this. So as you move through this holiday season, I always can't pronounce the L and R. So yeah, holiday season, I want you to take a moment and ask yourself, how do I feel today? What would help me to return to balance? You don't need a strict rule or big change. You just need a gentle meal, gentle check-in. It feels difficult to do it alone. I'll be right beside you. It's next to you in my coaching program. In my coaching program, we'll build sustainable lifelong healthy eating habits together in just 60 days. There's no restriction. Instead, we'll use the wisdom of traditional Japanese eating to help you rebuild your relationship with food from the ground up. We'll co-create a personalized action plan just for you and stay in touch several times a week to keep you supported and accountable. I opened a few spots one-on-one coaching for next month, so feel free to book a first call with me. The link is in the description box. And so I want to end this video with one of my clients' experience so that you can imagine how you would be after 60 days.
It was kind of scary because, like I said, my husband and I would stand there. What do you want for dinner? I don't know. What do you want? I don't know. What do we have? Well, we have chicken. Well, it's frozen. We didn't plan. So what else do we have? We have crackers and cheese. Well, we can't live on a diet of crackers and cheese every night. I needed somebody to say, just do it. And this is what you do to get started. You helped me with that. Not planning. I would stop at fast food places and I would eat the food there. It's not that healthy for you. But now, after, I guess, detoxing and eating properly, I can drive past fast food places. I have no desire to go in. I'm not as hungry. I don't have cravings like I did. So also, I look forward to going home now. If I go out shopping, I can go home and wait to eat and make my own meal, which is so much more satisfying. I saw lots of changes with my husband. He has much more energy. And now that I'm organized with my food, I can go through my kitchen and my closets. It's kind of nice because it organizes your whole life. So I started with the cooking, expanded it to other things in my life. So now I can build up from that foundation and have a better life. So yeah, I can see myself doing it forever. Your approach was very kind and very gentle and very patient. You give lots of good advice and encouragement, planning, taking notes, meeting with you once a week to kind of give me a boost, give me a good push to go in the right direction really, really helped. I don't think you really need that kind of a skill. You teach it pretty well because I wasn't really cooking until I took your course. I'm just very happy.
Thank you for spending the time with me this far. It really means a lot to me. Okay, take care. Mata ne. Bye bye.